Today we are going to review PixVerse AI, an artificial intelligence video generation tool that many creators are talking about because it promises to run simple text or images into eye-catching animated videos, something with the effects that look cinematic. Some people even say it feels like something a film studio might create. But does it really deliver, or is it just hype? In this video, I will explain what PixVerse actually does, how well it performs, and the good and the not so good parts of using it for your video. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to try out the PixVerse AI and any available offers to testing the access. By using that link, any available benefit that will be applied automatically. So get the best experience without any confusion. Now let's come to the main part of the video. PixVerse AI is a web-based video generator that lets you create short clips from text or images using the artificial intelligence. With PixVerse, you can describe a scene like the futuristic city or a character walking on a night or a cozy animated moment. So this system will generate a dynamic video clip based on your prompt. It also supports the uploading your own images. With PixVerse AI, you can describe a scene like a futuristic city, a character who is walking on a nightlight, or a cozy animated moment, or this kind of a product images. So you can just describe and it will give you. Now let's turn this image into video. So first download this, go to video and upload it here. Or if you want, then you can use only the text, it will be okay. So let's give it some prompt. Let's say realistic camera movement, smooth handheld shot, and just click on create. It will take just few seconds and the video will be start, and you can see this is the final video. Look at this, how realistic it is. The shadows, the color, the glare, everything is perfect. So it will generate a dynamic video clip based on your image and your prompt. It is also supports uploading your own image, as you can see, and you can animate them, giving you the flexibility whether you start your text or the static visual. One of the first thing that people notice about the PixVerse is the speed and the simplicity. The interface is very simple, beginners also easily can understand. You simply enter your idea or just write the generic prompt here. You can choose the style if you want. You can choose the style here, and here are some options. You can modify them according to your needs and then let the AI generate the clip. Most videos are created in a few seconds, which makes it fast compared to many other AI video tools that can take much longer time. Another thing users appreciate is the visual quality, especially for the short scenes. Many creators mention that the color science, the lighting, the motion like flowing water, atmospheric, these effects look very impressive, especially for the quick social media clips or teasers. These outputs can feel artistic or cinematic in style, which is very exciting for the storyteller and content creators who do not have the video editing skills. PixVerse supports multiple styles and model, and also it supports different kind of styles like anime, cinematic visual, stylized effects that make your content stand out. You just need to write your style here that you want. For example, you can write for the realistic motion or the dramatic lighting or even the abstract art-like animation, depending on what the platform's current models support. However, it is very important to talk about the limitations too. One of the biggest restrictions with PixVerse is that the clips is currently generates are very short and the maximum duration is the 10 seconds. This means if you need the longer videos for YouTube or detailed storytelling, you cannot directly generate long scene in one go. Creators sometimes need to piece together many short clips or use other tools to edit them into longer videos. Another limitation that reported by many users is the inconsistency of the output quality. While many clips look very stunning, some prompts produce the results that are blurry or distorted or have unexpected elements that do not match the original idea. This inconsistency often means you need to experiment with your prompts several times before you get the result you are happy with. The tool also does not include built-in sound or voice integration in most of the versions. This means you usually have to use external software to add narration or the background music or sound effects after you generate your video. While recent updates may test the audio compatibilities in some versions, most creators currently rely on the additional editing tools after generation. Another thing some users mention, that is the credit and the pricing system. That can be confusing. In certain subscriptions, you might see claims of unlimited use. You are limited by credits per video or need to buy more credit. If you want to generate many clips, then you have to buy more. Now, this can make it hard to predict how much you will spend if you use the tool frequently. So, who is PixVerse AI best for? If you are creating short clips, social media reels, concept teaser, or need the visual content quickly with minimal effort, then PixVerse is a strong option. But if you want longer videos or precise the cinematic control or fully integrated audio and the detailed editing inside the same platform, you may need additional tools or more advanced video editors. In short, PixVerse AI is a promising and creative video generator that can feel like a film studio tool for short-form content. But it also has the limitations that you should know before relying on it for all your videos. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to create videos with AI. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.